Ever been driven crazy by mosquitoes at home? What if I told you that 2 everyday kitchen ingredients can keep those annoying buzzers far away, without chemicals or expensive gadgets? Yep, just a lemon and some cloves. That's it. It sounds almost too simple, right? But this old-school trick is super effective, 100% natural, and your home will smell amazing too. Here's why it works. Mosquitoes hate strong scents, and both lemon and cloves pack a punch. While the lemon brings a zesty citrus punch, cloves add a spicy note that repels mosquitoes like magic. Let's make one. Grab a fresh lemon and slice it into thick rounds, about 2 centimeters each. Or, if you're in a rush, just cut it in half. Easy. Now take 8 to 15 cloves and stick them right into the lemon. Space them out well. You want that smell to spread like wildfire, because to mosquitoes, it's unbearable. Place these little lemon clove bombs in places mosquitoes love to sneak into: windowsills, corners, even near your bed. Boom! Instant mosquito barrier. No sprays, no smoke, no weird plug-in devices, just natural goodness that's safe for kids, pets, and the planet. And bonus, it smells amazing. While mosquito repellents usually stink up the place, this leaves your home with a fresh, spicy scent that actually feels like home. Try it today. Your nose will thank you. Your skin will thank you. And those mosquitoes, they won't stand a chance. If you find this video helpful, like, share, subscribe, and put on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload videos.